Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth for your dog. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of bones, such as beef marrow bones, knuckles, or chicken feet. These are excellent sources of collagen and minerals. Also, have on hand 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and enough filtered water to fully submerge your bones and other additions. This simple preparation sets the stage for a nutritious broth. To begin, you can roast your bones for about 20 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is optional but significantly enhances the flavor of your broth. Once roasted, transfer the bones to a large stock pot. Add your 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, which helps draw out beneficial minerals from the bones during cooking. Then, cover everything with filtered water, ensuring all ingredients are fully submerged. Now bring your pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low. The key is to maintain a very low, consistent simmer, never allowing it to reach a rolling boil. Cook the broth for a minimum of 12 hours and ideally up to 24 hours for maximum nutrient extraction. Periodically, skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface to keep your broth clear and clean. Once your broth has simmered for the desired time, let it cool completely. Then, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, separating the liquid from all the solids. It is crucial to discard all bones and other solid ingredients, as cooked bones can splinter and be dangerous for your dog. Store the finished bone broth in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for longer preservation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.